Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 2 sine t, because if I put this one going here, we have 4 sine t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root. ds, we have 2 cosine t dt. So I will put this one going here and here. ds, we change by this one. This one, that's about 4 sine t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. So 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. The square root of 4 cosine t square, we have 2 cosine t. This one we have 4 sine t square. So we simplify number 4 and number 4 on numerator and denominator, because 2 with 2 is about 4. Next, about cosine t square, we can change into 1 minus sine t square. 1 divided by sine t square, we have cosecant of t square. And this one you got about negative number 1. The integration of cosecant of t square, we will have about negative cosine t. Number 1, we have t. And we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. And we got about t equal to r sine of s over 2. So I need to put this one to change about t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.